Hi everyone, to the bone, this is Darcy, and today I have a very exciting and luxurious first impression for you guys. I'm gonna try a 24 karat face mask. I've seen this mask all over the internet and I thought it looks so cool, and gold does have a lot of benefits for the skin. So today I'm gonna put it to the test and show you guys my first impressions, show you how I apply the mask, and at the end of the video I'm gonna show you if I have any results. And since I have very sensitive skin, hopefully this works. So cross my fingers, and if you guys want to see it, keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button so you make sure to not miss any of my future videos. Now let's get to it. As you guys know, I'm very honest with all my reviews. This is not a sponsored video. I got this with my own money. It's quite an expensive mask, but I've seen different brands and prices all over the internet. This was $95. Yikes. So I hope this doesn't break me out. I hope doesn't give me a horrible reaction, but we shall see. The one I'm gonna try it out today is from Capriel, and it says it's a 24K gold luxury face mask. It comes inside with a serum and also 24 karat gold sheets. So this is real gold sheets. I just remove all my makeup and wash my face, so as you guys can see, I look pretty tired. I actually had a pretty long day. So this is a perfect time to try out this mask and see if it helps with any of these. So let's get started. So it says on a clean face, apply Capriel Rose and Gold Exotic Face Serum. And the ingredients are jojoba oil, rosehip oil, vitamin E, and also 24 karat gold, geranium oil, Moroccan rose essential oil. Okay, so the gold comes in between two pieces of paper, so you're not supposed to touch it with your finger. You're supposed to apply with the paper. So let's try. Okay, yeah, so don't touch with your finger or breathe in it. Oh no, oh no, no, no. Let me put this one. Let me put this one here so I don't lose it. Oh, so precious. No. Yeah, so first attempt, not very successful. Do not touch with your finger, as it says, but it's kind of hard, so don't breathe in it so it won't move. So I did one. Let's hope the other ones work. Ooh, this is nice. Very carefully unfold each 24K gold sheet one at a time and place sheet as close to one another as possible until the face is fully covered. So my first impression was that it took a little long time. It was very tricky to apply the gold sheets. I wanted to try it out fully to see how many sheets would take to do a full face. And as you guys can see, my face is pretty fully applied and it took the whole box. So I would say that is a one-time use box, unless you want to apply just very few sheets around your face. Second impression is that was pretty cool. Like, it feels really nice. It feels super light. I feel like there's nothing on my skin, but it does look pretty awesome. The next step of the instructions is to allow the mask to be on my face for 30 minutes. So I'm gonna wait 30 minutes and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. It's been 30 minutes. And now the next step is to apply a few drops of the serum into my fingers and start rubbing the mask on your face. So let me start from here. Ooh, hold on. Is it me or is it getting a little brown? Do you guys see that? I don't know, guys. I don't really like it so much. So far, it's getting almost like brown. What? Do you guys see that? My face is looking pretty, look. It's almost like a paint. Eh? Okay, I did the directions said, which is applying the serum in my fingers, and I was hoping that once I applied that it was just, absorb into my skin, but it's really not absorbing. It's just moving around, and it's looking pretty kind of ugly. It's looking more like a mud mask right now than a gold mask, and I washed my face before. I had no makeup on, so this is kind of kind of gross. I'm gonna get some tissue and just wipe it off. This is a first impression video, so I told you guys anything can happen. And right now, I'm really not happy of what the mask is looking like. My hand, it's almost like mud. And as you guys can see, it's really not absorbing. It's just kind of, it's spreading around. So I'm just gonna remove it. And we'll go from there. Oh my God, guys. What? Oh God. This is not good. I actually had good hopes for this mask. I must say it was fun to apply. What do you guys think, guys? I'm pretty disappointed that the gold did not absorb into my skin. Quite the opposite. It just turned into this muddy mask and I had to literally remove the whole thing. So that was pretty disappointing. What are you guys' thoughts? Because I really wanted to know. I really wanted this to work because one, it looked pretty cool, definitely Instagram worthy, but you do want the results as well. You want to get the benefits of the gold. Maybe I applied too many sheets. I don't know. What are you guys' thoughts? Have you used this mask before? Maybe I should have used less sheets and less of the serum. I'm very confused because I saw before people trying this type of mask and it does absorb completely, but on my face it didn't. So I don't know. Let me know what are your thoughts. And if you want any more videos like this, please make suggestions on the description box below. I love hearing from you guys and I love trying new products. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to thumbs up the video if you like it. And I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.